Good morning students, welcome back. I am Ibrar Ahmed from IPPS Indore. Today we are going to start our next experiment number first. So our objective to find the value of V means distance of image. V means distance of image. So our objective or aim of the practical to find the value of V for different value of U. U is the distance of object. U is the distance of object in case of a concave mirror and to find the focal length. Here is the formula of this is the mirror formula to find the focal length. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So f is equal to uv divided by u plus v. So this is the formula to find focal length. So let's start the experiment.
So let's start experiment number first. Our objective to find the value of V for different value of U in case of concave mirror and to find the focal length. To find the value of V is the distance of image and U is the distance of object. Formula F is equal to UV divided by U plus V. Material required: concave mirror, optical bench, 3 uprights, mirror holder, 2 needles, knitting needles, meter scale, etc. This is the diagram. This is our concave mirror. This is the reflecting surface and this is the polished surface. This is the object needle. When we put object in front of the concave mirror, it form an inverted image like this. This is our image. So this is the distance of object, it is called U, and this is the distance of image called V. So we can find the focal length UV divided by U plus V with the help of table. This is our table: position of mirror, position of object, position of image, distance of object, distance of image. This is corrected distance. Then with the help of this formula UV divided by U plus V, we can find the focal length. Now I am showing you mirror, concave mirror. This is some concave mirrors. You can see this is our concave mirror. Concave mirror look like that. This is our concave mirror. You can see concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. This is optical bench and this is object needle. I am putting concave mirror. This is our mirror. This is object needle. You can see clearly. This is our object needle. This is concave mirror. Here you can see concave mirror form an inverted image. You can see an inverted image. Concave mirror form an inverted image. You can see clearly an inverted image. Concave image form an inverted image. you can see in mirror an inverted image and object are moving simultaneously, so we can say there is no parallax. So this is the position of object. This is our object needle. This is our object needle. You can see image. This is our object needle. This is our concave mirror. Now we have to put an image needle. We have to put an image needle. We have to put an image needle and arrange the setup. Here you can see in mirror object and image form same image. Object and image form same image. You can see this is our image and object, both are moving simultaneously. You can see in image, you can see in mirror, image and object both are moving simultaneously. Both are moving simultaneously and form an accurate image. You can see in mirror both object and image are coincide. Both object and image are coincide. There is no parallax, and this is our image needle. This is our image needle and this is our object needle. Both are coincide. So here we can calculate the distance of object. This is the distance of object. You know that the distance between mirror, this is our mirror and this is object. The distance between mirror and object is called the distance of object, and the distance between mirror and image is called distance of image. You know that this is the distance, this is our mirror. Distance between mirror and object is called the distance of object, and distance between mirror and image is called the distance of image. Distance of object is denoted by U, distance of image denoted by V. So how can we calculate? We can see the reading. We are placing mirror at 70 centimeter. This is our 70 centimeter. So 70 minus 34. This is our 30, 35. So this is 34. 70 minus 34 is called distance of object. 70 minus 34 is 36, and this is 70, and this is over 22. So 70 minus 22 is called that is 48. This is called distance of image. So this is our distance of object. The distance between mirror and object is called distance of object, and distance between mirror and image is called distance of image. Now we can calculate the focal length. We have U and V both. So formula is F is equal to UV divided by U plus V. U is the distance of object, V is the distance of image. So we have both distance of object and distance of image. So for various cases you can calculate the focal length, at least you have to try this experiment 4 to 5 times for accurate focal length. First time it is approximate, first time we will get approximate focal length. You have to try this experiment at least 4 to 5 times. So I hope you are understanding the experiment. Thanks for watching.